Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we are going to do a technical analysis and a price prediction for Avalanche, a non-biased technical analysis and an honest one. Okay, so if you like the content, hit the like button and subscribe. Also join the Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. Let's dive quickly into the technical analysis. Thank you for watching, and for those who support me, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, really. Let's go now to the technical analysis again, and you can see that we found some huge sell pressure at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, the 52 around there, Tether, USD, and we couldn't close above. Right now we are correcting a little bit because of Bitcoin, because of Avalanche underperforming a little bit on the 4-hour frame and in the lower frames against Bitcoin, and you can see that we had a double bottom right there. We had a swing high till the 0.618. Now we want to see where are we going. The volume right now on the 4-hour frame, it is decreasing a little bit. You can see the moving average right here. If I zoom in a little bit, you will see the moving average dropping down. So let's go to the MACD. The MACD right here doesn't look so good, right? I would expect maybe we had a bullish cross here to get up a little bit higher again. Right now it doesn't look so good, even though that while the MACD went horribly down, you can see that the AVAX remained very good in its price valuation, the USDT valuation, and of course we had a double bottom right there and we went upwards for Avalanche. Okay, so let's go to the risk metrics on the 4-hour frame. I will remove the drawings. I will just go to the stochastic RSI. You can see according to the stochastic RSI, we were in an overbought situation. For now, it isn't worth it to see the stochastic RSI. I will tell you why. Because if you are not on an impulsive wave mode, for example, here we were, but not, right now we are going as a stable market right here, as a normal market. If we are not in an impulsive wave, stochastic RSI is good for us, very fast swing trades. All right, you don't need that. We now need to check the commodity channel index. For now, you can see we were in an overbought situation and we are correcting a little bit. What we hope for right there is to keep having the pattern and go upwards. We do not want to go downwards. That is a huge X, guys. That is a huge X. We don't want the commodity channel index to go even down because we might be losing some important support levels right here, although it is not looking so bearish for Avalanche, I mean. And on the RSI, we are between 30 and 70. Nothing important to look at it right now. On the 20-day EMA, as you can see, the 20-day EMA is above, the 50-day EMA is still above, and once we reached a little bit down from the 50-day EMA, we went upwards. Okay, and now we have made the 20-day EMA as a support level, as you can see right here. Okay, so this is huge, and when an altcoin is strong and it keeps going upwards, guys, a very bullish signal is when it goes down under the 50-day EMA. If it goes under the 50-day EMA and it's still strong, it is a very good entry buying opportunity right there. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame and I will remove the drawings again here. I will close the Bollinger Bands. We do not need the Bollinger Bands for now. We just need to see if we have any buying opportunity right here. After the selling opportunity right there, we do not have any buying opportunity for the daily frame, that is for the midterm. So according to the SSL HYBRID, we do not have a buying opportunity for the midterm. Let's see a little bit the Avalanche. You can see that we had a very high risk. That means it is very healthy to correct. Okay, it's very healthy to correct. You can see on the daily frame we had a very high risk. The stochastic RSI though on the daily frame is in an oversold situation, and that is something that I want to see for Avalanche. If this will play out, then this is a great buying opportunity right here where we are. Okay, so right now I really want to see how this will play out. Stochastic RSI is in an oversold and we are holding good. Can we reach the next price targets for AVAX? Can we reach our previous all-time high and go even higher? Let's see about that. For the moment, the MACD now is looking very good. We have an angle of the blue line, maybe that we go down to the signal line, but it is not looking like something very bearish for now. Okay, so we are looking good according to the MACD on the daily frame. Let's go a little bit to Avalanche Bitcoin chart. You can see it looks identical to the USDT. We have the 20-day EMA being our support level. For now, we are correcting just a little bit, just a small correction right here against Bitcoin. That's why we are dropping a little bit more in the terms of the USDT, and while Bitcoin remains stable right here. Okay, so we are dropping just a little bit for AVAX Bitcoin chart. The stochastic RSI was in an overbought, that's why we are dropping a little bit right now. We are having this minor tiny correction right there, you can see. And of course, the commodity channel index was again as it was in an overbought. RSI was not. So you always check the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index first, afterwards the RSI, because you cannot find the bottom when you look the RSI, and you need to watch RSI patterns, right? RSI patterns are very, very important right there. Let's go to AVAX Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. As you can see right now on the daily frame, we have the oversold situation for the stochastic RSI, very, very good things right there, and we have the RSI going into the default settings between 30 and 70. We were in an overbought right there, and you can see that this is a big cut, right? It is a big cut that it is smiling right now, because if we keep this pattern going on, then it will smile again. If we don't and we go down, then it won't smile. Okay, so right now things are a little bit I won't say bearish, but I am cautiously optimistic about AVAX. I am cautiously but optimistic about AVAX right now, because right now you can see that's what I like. Stochastic RSI going into an oversold while the other indicators remain high, okay, at the high levels. This is what I like for AVAX Bitcoin chart. Let's go to the price analysis. So how can you minimize the risk and go in for AVAX? How can you know you can get in? If we get above the 55 Tether USD, then it is very, very possible, and I believe we can go to the 63.54 or maybe at even higher levels right there. But anyway, these are the next price targets around there, and we have some more right here. If I want to find other price targets, we would have around the minus 0.618. Let me see a little bit, the minus 0.618. We would have the 70. Okay, and we have one more, the 70. A little bit down, there we go, around there. Okay, so I will make a horizontal line so you can see it. These 4 targets for AVAX in case we just go above the 55 Tether USD. All right, so you can see that we found resistance back then. This altcoin looks strong due to the stochastic RSI being on the daily frame in an oversold situation. That is what I really, really like, and that's why I am confident that we might be going upwards and go to the next price target for AVAX. Okay, 64, 63 to 64, 66, 68 to 69, and 70 to 71, around there. Next price target you should be looking at for AVAX in case we go above 55. Most chances are that we go above. Okay, the most chances that we have is that we can go even higher, although the risk here is around 30%. We have a huge risk of going in right now, but at the same time it is looking good. As for the daily stochastic RSI, I repeat that, and for AVAX Bitcoin chart, that looks pretty good. For now, Bitcoin is holding a little bit with not so much volume right there. You can see it is holding around the area of 48,400, and the Ethereum Bitcoin chart is correcting a little bit again. I was hoping that we might be forming a lower high pattern in the higher low, but right now it seems like we broke down from the higher low pattern from the squeeze point. We will see about that right now. Ethereum Bitcoin chart for the time being is going into an oversold situation. That is good for Ethereum and the other altcoins that follow the Ethereum trend. Okay, so you know the price targets, and in case we correct a little bit more, we have a very strong support level at the 44. We have one more at the 46 and one more at the 44 to 45 Tether USD, around there. In case we drop down, then we go down, but the more chances, and that's why I'm focusing in the next price targets, are to get above. Okay, and non-biased technical analysis, guys, and of course I want to be honest with you. I always want to be honest with you. More chances are to go upwards, but you minimize the risk when we close above the 55 Tether USD. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.